Homeopathy multiple choice questions. Quiz homeopathy test questions.
Okay.
The homeopathic repertoire is organized to make it easier to do which of the following. A. Identify the proverb of a remedy. Identify symptoms associated with a remedy. Identify remedies associated with a symptom. Identify the animal, botanical, or mineral source of a remedy.
And C. Identify remedies associated with a symptom.
Kent's repertoire contains information about homeopathic remedies arranged by which of the following. A. Remedy. Symptom C. Chronological date remedy was proven. Alphabetical name of contributing author.
And minus B. Symptom.
According to the principle of similars, which of these homeopathic medicines is most likely to relieve sleeplessness? Homeopathic questions A. Arnica montanab. Coffee, homeopathic medicine from the coffee bean. C. Belladonna. Apis mellifica, homeopathic medicine from the honey bee.
And minus B. Coffee, homeopathic medicine from the coffee bean.
Low dilutions such as AC are homoeo. Local symptom SB. General symptoms. Symptoms affecting behavior. Children and elderly.
And the local symptoms.